We have 2 days until the start of SolarButterfly for the first school event. 7 people today working on the SolarButterfly. Everybody is really busy now. This is Michael, our solar master. This is Patrick. He's gluing today with the help of Chris.
Hello.
And these are our solar panels. They have just arrived today. Look at this. Oh la la. Yeah, here we go. We are so lucky the solar panels have arrived, and now the great team is installing them. So these are our solar cells from Longi with the highest efficiency of more than 24%. Our mechanic Dennis is doing the drilling job.
My name is Martin. I'm a driver and mechanic at the SolarButterfly project, and I really look forward to driving this across America.
Hey Mohammed, what are you doing?
Just holding the panel.
Hey Patrick, how are you?
Can't complain too much, I'm sticking to the road.
How are you, Chris?
I'm really good, really good.
We only have 24 hours left.